Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a mom. I was getting ready to start cleaning my kitchen, and if you cannot tell, like, it's a mess. The floor needs to be swept. I need to wipe down appliances. I have two sinkfuls full of dishes and dishes on here. I have dishes in there I need to empty. And I thought I haven't done a kitchen, like a cleaning video in a while. I also have a kitty cat right there playing. But anyways, I haven't done a cleaning video in a little while. And I thought, right before I started cleaning, I thought, you know, this would be a good opportunity. My kitchen's actually really messy. And the time is 4:04, and I want to be done by 4:30. Like, my husband still won't be home till about 7:30. But I just want to be done with it. I want to paint my nails. They need it bad. So I want to get that done. I want to paint my nails. I want to play with my kids some more. I have one watching TV in there that you can probably hear. And my other one's still sleeping. But my plan is to unload the dishwasher, wash all those, load those into the dishwasher, clean that, and then wipe all the counters down, cupboards down, make it look really clean and everything like that. And then I want to sweep the floor. I was going to mop, but my kids really want to go outside and play. And if you look out back, it is kind of muddy. So I am not going to sweep or mop until it's not so muddy outside. Like, this time of year, like, I spot mop and that's it. Because it's either going to snow again or it's going to rain and it'll just be muddy. So, let us get started and see if we...
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day.
Okay guys, so the time is 4:35. Took me 5 minutes longer than to be expected. I did have to stop and go to the bathroom though. But honestly, it's done. I'm tired. Ready for a nap now. So, let's show you. Everything pretty clean. Floor is swept. It looks nice. Is it as clean as I would like it, honestly? Like, I'd really like to deep clean the whole thing, but that takes a lot of energy and a lot of time. And right now, I'm being lazy. Like, I just am. So, it's clean and livable, and that's what matters. So, I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope it gives you motivation to even clean, even if it's for 30 minutes. Like, I mean, 30 minutes is better than none. So, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you have a great Monday. I hope you find some motivation from somebody, somewhere, some shape, somehow. And have a great week, guys. Take care.